How to fix front camera on not working on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix that problem is by going ahead to your main settings. In the main settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until you find, let me just start looking for it, until you find like the camera, right? And make sure that your the settings in the camera is standard, right? So the quality of the recording video, slow motion, whatever it might be, just make it on a high efficiency. If that did work out for you, probably one of the reasons like the front camera not working on an app or something, you just go to the specific app like let's say for example HelloTalk, for example, right? And just go ahead and check the camera access, and we allow the access to the camera. Now if that did work out for you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your general. In the general, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see right here transfer or reset iPhone, and by clicking transfer or reset iPhone, I'm gonna just click reset, and I'm gonna reset all settings. And now what that does, it will set all the settings that you might change or something like that in your camera or any other app to the default standard or to the default settings, and basically you'll be able to get or fix that problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.